Your mindset is the reason you're broke. Not your circumstances, not your background, not your luck. Your mind. The way you think determines what you do. What you do determines what you have. Change your mind. Change your life. It's that simple. And that's hard. Most people have a broke mindset. They think small. They see obstacles everywhere. They believe success is for other people. And guess what? They're right. Because your beliefs create your reality. If you think you can't, you won't. If you think you can, you might. And if you know you will, you definitely will. That's the difference. In 2026, mindset isn't optional. It's everything. You're either mentally tough or you're getting crushed. The good news? You can reprogram your mind. You can install new beliefs. You can hack your psychology to guarantee success. These aren't fluffy tips. They are psychological weapons. Master these, and you'll achieve things that seem impossible right now. 1. Burn the backup plan. You're not all in because you have a safety net, a backup plan, an escape route. And that backup plan is killing your dreams. When you have a plan B, you don't commit to plan A. You hedge, you play it safe, and that's why you lose. Every successful person has a story about cutting off the retreat, going all in with no safety net. Elon Musk put his entire fortune into Tesla and SpaceX. He had no backup plan, so he had to make them work. Your backup plan is your enemy. It gives you permission to fail. Burn the backup plan. Make success your only option. When failure means you lose everything, you'll do whatever it takes to win. Here's what you do. Identify your backup plan. That job you're keeping, that security blanket. Eliminate it. Go all in on your real goal. Make it succeed or die trying. That's how you unlock your full potential. 2. Stop asking, start taking. Successful people don't wait for permission. They don't ask if it's okay. They don't seek approval. They see what they want and they take it. They just move. They act. They claim what's theirs before anyone can tell them no. You're sitting around waiting to be chosen, waiting for the opportunity, waiting for someone to give you a chance. Stop waiting. Create your own chances. Nobody's coming to hand you success. You have to take it. The job you want, reach out and create it. The client you want, go get them. Broke people wait for things to happen. Rich people make things happen. Here's what you do. Stop asking questions and start making statements. Don't say, "Can I get a meeting?" Say, "Let's meet Tuesday at 2. Assume the yes. Take the power. Act like you already have what you want, and people will give it to you because you assumed you deserved it. 3. Make decisions like a machine. Indecision is killing you. Every time you waffle, you overthink. You say, "Let me think about it." You're losing. Successful people make decisions fast. They gather the minimum information needed, then they move. They know that speed beats perfection. A good decision executed today beats a perfect decision executed never. Jeff Bezos has a framework. Type 1 decisions are irreversible. Take your time. Type 2 decisions are reversible. Make those fast. Most decisions are type 2. You can change course if you're wrong. But most people treat every decision like it's life or death, so they never move. While they're thinking, someone else is doing. Indecision is a decision, choosing to stay stuck. Here's what you do. Give yourself deadlines for decisions. Small decisions get 5 minutes. Medium decisions get 1 day. Big decisions get 1 week. When the timer runs out, you decide. No more analysis paralysis. Decide and move. If you're wrong, adjust. Movement beats meditation every time. 4. Treat failure like data. You're not failing, you're collecting data. That's the reframe. Most people see failure as proof they can't do something. Winners see failure as information about what doesn't work. Then they adjust and try again. No drama, no self-pity, just learning and moving forward. Thomas Edison said he didn't fail 10,000 times before the light bulb. He found 10,000 ways that didn't work. That's the mindset. Every no is one step closer to yes. Every failure is one lesson closer to success. Every mistake is feedback, not failure. The only real failure is quitting. Everything else is just the process. Here's what you do. After every setback, ask 3 questions. What worked? What didn't work? What will I do differently next time? Write down the answers. That's your data. You're not failing. You're experimenting. You're optimizing. 5. Compete with yesterday's you. You're competing with the wrong people. Comparing yourself to others is a losing game. The only person you should compete with is who you were yesterday. Are you better today than you were yesterday? That's the only question that matters. Comparing yourself to others makes you feel inadequate. But if you measure yourself against yesterday's you, you're always winning, as long as you're progressing. This is about sustainable growth. You don't need to 10 times overnight. You need to improve by 1% every day. 1% better every day for a year is 37 times better. That's exponential growth achieved through 1,000 tiny improvements. Here's what you do. Track your progress daily. What did you do today that moves you forward? Write it down. Celebrate the progress. Then ask, what will I do tomorrow to be 1% better? Focus on the next step. The finish line takes care of itself when you win every day. 6. Speak your future into existence. Your words create your reality. The way you talk to yourself and others programs your subconscious. Say, I can't afford it, and your brain stops problem solving. Say, how can I afford it? And your brain starts looking for solutions. Successful people are militant about their language. They don't say, I can't. They say, I haven't figured out how yet. They don't say, I'm broke. They say, I'm building wealth. These are mental commands, and your brain follows commands. Most people speak poverty into their lives. You're literally manifesting failure with your mouth. Here's what you do. Eliminate phrases like, I can't, and I'm broke. Replace them with, I can figure this out, or I'm building wealth. Speak in the present tense about your goals. I am, not I will be. Your subconscious only understands now. Claim it now with your words. 7. Obsess over the process, not the prize. Everyone wants the result, the money, the business, the lifestyle. But they don't want the process. Success isn't about the prize. It's about becoming the person who earns the prize. And that happens in the process. You don't need to love every part, but you need to respect it. You need to show up to it every day. The successful don't just want achievements, they love the grind. When you fall in love with the process, the results become inevitable. Most people focus on outcomes they can't control. Wrong focus. Here's what you do. Define your daily non-negotiables. The process actions that guarantee progress. Do them every single day. Don't worry about results. Just execute the process. Do this for 90 days and watch what happens. 8. Eliminate realistic from your vocabulary. Be realistic. That's what broke people say. What they mean is be mediocre. Realistic thinking creates realistic results. And the realistic results are average. Average is broke. Every major breakthrough in history came from unrealistic thinking. Flying was unrealistic. Going to the moon was unrealistic. Unrealistic is just another word for hasn't been done yet. Your realistic goals are capping your potential. You're playing it safe. Set goals that scare you. You might not hit the impossible goal, but you'll land somewhere way beyond realistic. That's how you win big. Here's what you do. Take your current goal and 10 times it. If you want to make 50,000, aim for 500,000. Does that feel insane? Good. Now reverse engineer it. What would have to be true for that to happen? That's your real plan. 9. Master the art of selective ignorance. You're consuming too much news, too much social media, too many other people's opinions, and it's paralyzing you. Every piece of information is a distraction. Successful people practice selective ignorance. They deliberately ignore things that don't matter so they can focus on things that do. Your attention is your most valuable asset. If you're scrolling for 2 hours a day, that's almost 2 full work weeks a month you're giving away for free to strangers' opinions and drama. Billionaires don't watch the news. They curate their information diet ruthlessly. They only consume things that help them make better decisions or build better businesses. Everything else is noise. Here's what you do. Track everything you consume this week. Ask, did this make me smarter or wealthier? If no, delete it. Unfollow. Unsubscribe. Build an information firewall. Your focus will skyrocket. 10. Manufacture urgency. You're moving too slow. You think you have time. You don't. Every day you wait is a day your competition gets ahead. Urgency isn't stress. Urgency is fuel. It's what makes you move when you don't feel like it. Most people operate on someday time. Someday I'll start. Someday never comes because there's no pressure. Winners create artificial deadlines. They manufacture urgency. They make the future feel like now. This is why public commitments work. When you tell people you're launching in 30 days, you create urgency. Urgency forces action. Action creates results. Here's what you do. Set a public deadline. Tell your audience, your friends, your family, I'm launching in 30 days. Make it real. Make it public. Make it unavoidable. Then you have no choice but to execute. The deadline creates the pressure. 11. Assume abundance always. You operate from scarcity or abundance. There's no middle. Scarcity says there's not enough, so you hoard, compete, and play small. Abundance says there's plenty, so you give, collaborate, and play big. You win. Your mindset determines what you see. Scarcity people see competition. Abundance people see collaboration. Scarcity people ask, what if I lose? Abundance people ask, what if I win big? Same world, different lens, different outcomes. Every billionaire operates from abundance. They give away millions because they know that giving creates more receiving. Abundance is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Here's what you do. Practice abundance thinking. When you see someone else succeed, celebrate it. Don't hate. Don't compare. Celebrate. Their success proves it's possible. When you have knowledge, share it. Money in motion multiplies. Abundance thinking attracts abundance. 12. Rewrite your identity, not your goals. You don't have a goal problem. You have an identity problem. You set goals, then you don't hit them because they conflict with your identity. You want to be rich, but you see yourself as broke. Identity always wins. Your identity is who you think you are. You'll always act consistent with who you think you are. If you think you're bad with money, you'll always be broke. Change your identity. Change your actions. This is why affirmations work. They reprogram identity. Say, I am wealthy enough times, and your brain starts believing it. When your brain believes you're wealthy, you make wealthy decisions. Identity determines destiny. Here's what you do. Define who you need to become to achieve your goals. Write it down. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am strategic. I am relentless. Say it every morning. Reprogram your identity. When you believe you're that person, you become that person. 13. Surround yourself with proof. You don't believe success is possible because you don't see it around you. Your friends are broke. Your family is struggling, so you think that's normal. That's just your environment. Change your environment. Change your beliefs. You need to surround yourself with proof. Proof that what you want is possible. Proof that people like you have done it. Find those people. Study them. Be around them. Let their success become your new normal. This is why masterminds work. You put yourself in a room with people who are where you want to be. That normalization is powerful. What you see regularly becomes your expectation. Here's what you do. Find your people. Online communities, masterminds, networking events. Invest in them. Be around them. Let their energy, beliefs, and standards rub off on you. Your environment shapes you. Make sure it's shaping you into who you want to become. 14. Embrace discomfort like it's oxygen. Comfort is killing you. Every time you choose easy, you choose stuck. Every time you avoid discomfort, you avoid growth. Growth lives in discomfort. Success lives in discomfort. Wealth lives in discomfort. You want those things? Get uncomfortable. Daily. Successful people are addicted to discomfort. They seek it out. Cold showers, hard workouts, difficult conversations. They know that comfort makes you soft. Soft makes you weak. Weak makes you broke. Discomfort makes you strong. Your comfort zone is a prison. Everything you want is outside that zone. Here's what you do. Do one uncomfortable thing every single day. Have that difficult conversation. Make that scary ask. Whatever scares you, do it. Build your discomfort tolerance. That's how you expand your capacity. That's how you become unstoppable. 15. Treat your mind like a weapon. Your mind is your most powerful tool, or your biggest liability. Most people let their minds run wild, random thoughts, negative spirals. That's like letting a weapon misfire. Successful people train their minds. They control their thoughts. They weaponize their psychology. Mental training isn't optional anymore. Meditation, visualization, journaling, affirmations. These are performance tools. Navy SEALs use them. Olympic athletes use them. Billionaires use them. They give you control over your thoughts, which gives you control over your life. You spend hours training your body, zero training your mind. That's backwards. Here's what you do. Build a daily mental training routine. 10 minutes of meditation, 5 minutes of visualization, 5 minutes of journaling, 20 minutes to reprogram your most powerful weapon. Track it for 30 days. Watch as your mental clarity and decision-making skyrocket. Mindset alone won't make you rich, but without the right mindset, nothing else matters. If your mind is broken, you'll sabotage the best strategy, the best opportunity. Mindset is the foundation. Real mindset is about mental toughness. It's about controlling your thoughts when everything's falling apart. It's about doing the work when you don't feel like it. Most people won't develop this. They'll read this. They'll nod. They'll feel inspired. Then they'll do nothing. They'll go back to their comfortable, broke lives. Don't be the majority. Winners don't wait to feel ready. They move. Winners don't need motivation. They have discipline. Winners don't hope for success. They demand it. Winners don't avoid discomfort. They chase it. That's the difference. Not talent, not luck, mindset, decision, action. It starts in your head. Fix your mind first. Everything else follows. Your income, your freedom, all of it starts with how you think. Change your thinking, change your life. Pick 3 of these mindset hacks. Implement them this week. Track the results, then add 3 more. In 90 days, your mind will be completely rewired. The difference between you and the person achieving everything you want? Their mind. Fix your mind. Win at life. Period.